Hello everyone, today I will be comparing the Redmi Watch 5 Lite and the 5 Active and what sets them apart. So first of all, the Redmi Watch 5 Lite has a little bit smaller, but stunning AMOLED display with always-on functionality. In my opinion, the screen on Redmi Watch 5 Lite looks even better than on the Apple Watch Series 10. And on my channel, you can also find comparison between screen on the Redmi Watch 5 Lite and the Apple Watch Series 10. I'm gonna put the link into the description and on the first comment under this video, so you'll be able to find out. This screen looks really nice. And now let's move into the Watch 5 Active. So right here on the Watch 5 Active, we can actually find a little bit larger LCD screen. So right here on the Watch 5 Active, we can find 2 inches LCD screen, and on this one we've got 1.96 inches, and as you can see we got also information about pixels, so this one is actually a little bit better, so we got higher quality on the Redmi Watch 5 Lite. And additionally, the Redmi Watch 5 Lite is actually equipped with GPS, so we can take it outside without bringing your phone, and you will be able to capture your workouts. So that's actually great extension in this device. And in my opinion, the Active's strap is actually more comfortable. It's actually quite easy to to put it on. That's actually simple, and it's not that easy. I mean, it's easy, but a little bit harder in the Redmi Watch 5 Lite. And this is the only differences that you can find between these two devices. So yeah, that will be all. And of course the price, right? The 5 Lite is a little bit more expensive than the Redmi Watch 5 Active. So that will be all. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Thanks for watching.